Hey, it's Ann from NanLovesFood. Today we're going to give the Trader Joe's garden vegetable soup a try. Here's a quick glance at the nutrition. I'm sorry if it's hard to read. They put it around the side of the jar, which makes it difficult. This is relatively high in sodium, especially if you're going to consume the whole thing because there are 3 servings per container. So 790 times 3 is a lot. There's a little bit of protein in it. I'm going to use the stovetop instructions to heat this up, and we'll let you know what you think. They are not calling out any specific allergens on this one. All right, we've got it all heated up here. That is a solid vegetable soup. I would eat this on a cold winter's day, no problem. It's definitely a little acidic from the tomatoes. Like there's definitely a really strong acid bite, like enough that it might bother my husband who's kind of sensitive to acidic things. But overall, lots of good veg in there. You can see the kale and the carrots and all kinds of good stuff. I will definitely buy this one again. I'm going to give it 4 out of 5 stars. It's not like amazing, but it's a solid vegetable soup.